6:30 means
Kolkata time.
okay. Fine. So we last class we concluded that there are two different types of cases when we are going to fill the molecular orbitals. The case number one is when we have number of electrons greater than 14 and then less than 14. If it is greater than 14, there is no sp mixing because of the repulsion in the electron. But if it is less than 14, it is going to be having sp mixing and the order is going to be different. Okay. Now we have done how many? From here we have done carbon, right? Now we are going to do the next one. But before carbon, we did not do, I guess, boron, right? So first of all, we'll do boron, and then again we are going to do carbon, and it's what? Thursday. Okay. Check here. Now, right here, MO diagram or MOD. Of B2. Okay. Iram, Hiba, Abdullah, please tell me what is the atomic number of boron? What is the atomic number of boron?
5.
Yeah, correct. 5. The electronic configuration will be what? Electronic configuration will be, Iram, tell me.
1s2.
1s2
2s2.
होगा. 1s2. 2s2.
2p1.
2p1. Now you tell me, sp mixing or no sp mixing? Yes, Iram, tell me. There will be sp mixing or there will be no sp mixing?
There will be sp mixing.
Yeah, okay. Now tell me what is the electronic configuration for the molecular orbital of B, boron, B2. We'll start with is what happened. Hiba, can you please answer me? बताइए केस 1 या केस 2 हिबा sp मिक्सिंग के लिए क्या होता है केस 1 और केस 2? One second. Okay.
Okay, so
बोलिए केस 1 और केस 2?
case 2.
Case 2. Okay. Now you tell me the total number of electron will be, one boron is going to have 5 electrons. So the total number of electrons in the B2 will be equal to how much? 10 electrons. Right. So we have to fill 10 electrons in the molecule that is B2. So we'll start with, we are going to start with sigma. Yes, Iram, Fahad, Hiba, tell me. 1s. Sigma 1s, na?
Yes.
Sigma 1s2. After that?
Sigma.
बोलिए sigma
Star 1s2.
sigma star 1s2. Very good. After that, if you're going to repeat it now, then you are not, I mean, you will not be needing, you'll not need to memorize it. Okay, so please say these things in the class itself. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. After that,
Sigma 2s.
sigma 2s, sigma 2s2, है ना? Further, okay.
Then sigma star 2s.
Sigma star 2s, 2, right? Because now we have 8. After this,
Pi 2px equals pi 2py.
very good. Pi 2px equals pi 2py. Now, we are going to fill the electron how? I hope you guys remember 1 and 2. Can we fill any more electrons here? Yes or no? Please tell me. Are the 10 electrons filled?
Yes.
Okay. So 10 electrons are filled. We cannot fill more number of electrons. Okay. Okay. So look at the bond order here. Okay. Also, like you are going to hear my cousins. Okay. So they are here. Just they are very intrigued to see how I teach. Okay. Fine. A bond order will be equal to number of bonds minus number of anti-bonding, number of bonding molecular number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus the number of electrons in the anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2. Tell me, number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbital is equal to how much?
8.
8 2 8 नहीं, फिर से देखिए जरा किरम, पाई में तो एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना, पाई में you have only one electron. Can you see that?
Yeah.
6 minus 4 upon 2, which will be equal to 1. 2 upon 2, which will be equal to 1. So bond order will be equal to, bond order is going to be 1. Okay. Now, please listen. Now there is one more thing that you need to learn now, which is known as magnetic character. Okay, what is magnetic character and how a molecule can have magnetic character? Please see. If a molecule has unpaired electron, then it shows magnetic character and is called paramagnetic. It is called what? Paramagnetic. Next point. If a molecule does not have unpaired electron, then it does not show magnetic character and is called diamagnetic. So in this case, you can see that B2, it is having how many unpaired electrons? There are 2 unpaired electrons, and that is why it is going to have, it is going to be diamagnetic. Sorry, it is going to be paramagnetic, and it is going to have magnetic character. Please write this down. Let me know once you're done. Jania, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, did you join right now?
No, I joined like 2-3 minutes back.
2-3 minutes back. Why? What happened? Up, like I could see you in the chat. I mean, see you in the participants window, but I cannot hear anything from you.
Yes, so when I first joined, like I couldn't hear anything. It was like breaking off, so I rejoined again.
Oh, okay, fine. So, Jania, tell me, which school are you from?
Abu Dhabi Indian School.
Okay, Abu Dhabi Indian School. How many chapters are done?
We did the first 3, and then from the second book, redox reaction is done.
Redox reaction. You did, told me yesterday. Okay. So, ये आपको थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है?
I just joined for this chapter, so I'm a bit lost.
You're a bit lost. Okay. Fine. So I mean boron is done. Boron के बाद carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay. So and then we are going to do a few more molecules, and then you will understand the next topics. Okay. But you must have done this in your school, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, no? Okay, fine. So I think if you stay here for a while, you will start getting things. Okay. Okay, Iram, Fahad, Hiba, and Abdullah, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. Now, please write. What is the magnetic character? It is B2 is paramagnetic. It is paramagnetic. Okay. Now, after B2, we are going to have carbon. I think this will be sixth. MOD of C2. Carbon, it has atomic number of 6. It's going to have 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So C2 is going to have 12 electrons. SP mixing or no SP mixing, guys? Tell me. SP mixing or no SP mixing? Tell me. SP mixing or no SP mixing? Oh, इतना late. Iram, Abdullah, tell me. Abdullah, बताइए आप. SP mixing or no SP mixing? Case 1 or case 2? Look at the last class notes and tell me case 1 or case 2, Abdullah. Abdullah, I could not hear you. I think you said something. I could not hear you. Yeah, Abdullah, tell me. Case?
Case 1.
Case 1. What is the case 1? Number of electrons should be? Please read the line from your notes. No, read in the sense I should hear when you are reading it. Tell me what is the case 1? Number of electrons?
Less than 14.
Less than 14.
Yes.
ये लिखा है ना आपने अब्दुल्ला?
Yes, sir.
Number of electrons is
Greater than.
greater than, है ना? आप डरा क्यों रहे हैं हमें? अब्दुल्ला,
Greater
आप
than.
डरा क्यों रहे हैं? जी, तो बताइए केस 1 या केस 2?
Case 2.
केस 2 ना? केस 2 और केस 2 में क्या होता है? SP mixing takes place or not takes place? Look at the last class notes and tell me SP mixing or no SP mixing?
SP mixing.
Yeah, correct, SP mixing. चलिए अब यहाँ पे आप बताइए C2. We'll start with Abdullah. Tell me sigma. शुरू हो जाइए. Sigma.
Sigma 1 is
Sigma 1 इसमें कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन? टोटल हमको 12 इलेक्ट्रॉन भरने हैं. ओके, I have to fill how many electrons, Abdullah?
12.
Why 12? Why 12? Because each carbon has 6 electrons and we have 2 carbons, C2 molecule, right? So each carbon has 6 and we have C2, that means it will be 12. Got it, Abdullah? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
It will be now sigma 1s2. After that,
Sigma 1 is 2.
sigma
1 is 2.
sigma 1s2 तो लिख दिया. उसके बाद
Sigma
उसके बाद क्या? सिग्मा स्टार 1s2. देखिए ठीक से, सिग्मा स्टार लिखा होगा, राइट?
yes, sir.
उसके बाद बताइए क्या होगा?
Sigma 2s.
सिग्मा 2s कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन?
2.
2. आफ्टर दैट
Sigma 2s star.
सिग्मा स्टार, बोलिए सिग्मा स्टार
2s.
2s2. ठीक है, इसके बाद जल्दी 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 अब्दुल्ला जल्दी देख के बताइए। यस अब्दुल्ला, आफ्टर दिस
After this,
लिखा नहीं है क्या आपने? हाय हाय, नहीं लिखा है क्या आपने अब्दुल्ला? यस और नो, प्लीज टेल मी फास्ट नाउ अब्दुल्ला, हैव यू रिटन इट और नॉट? यस
no,
अब्दुल्ला, टेल
sir.
मी। आपने लिखा ही नहीं है? अरे रे रे, ऐसे कैसे काम चलेगा? प्लीज लेक्चर को देखिए, यूट्यूब में अपलोड हो चुका होगा, ओके, एंड देन कंप्लीट द नोट्स, ओके। ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है। कौन बताएगा यहाँ पे? इरम, टेल मी, आफ्टर सिग्मा स्टार 2s2 व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव?
Pi 2px.
वेरी गुड। आपकी आवाज को क्या हो गया? आर यू ओके?
नहीं, बीमार हूँ.
ओहो,
Pi 2py.
pi 2py and then 1
Then
electron, 2
zero.
electron, क्या? What did you say?
ये बोल रही थी.
अच्छा, ये बोलो ना, एक एक करके डालेंगे, ठीक है। Now you are going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So we have number of unpaired electrons कितने हो जाएंगे बताइए तो जरा। हेबा बताएंगे। हेबा, टेल मी, number of unpaired electrons is equal to how much? Yes, हेबा।
2.
2 unpaired electrons कहाँ दिख रहे हैं आपको? 2 कौन से ऑर्बिटल में? Is this unpaired or paired?
Here.
हेबा, paired. This one
That.
paired. This one.
It's also paired.
What about 2s2? Sigma star 2s2 paired.
Yeah.
What about this 2px paired or not paired? अरे
No.
paired तो है, आप paired है ना,
Yeah.
दिख रहा है ना आपकी?
Yeah, it's paired.
This one 2py.
It's paired.
So how many number of unpaired electrons is equal to how much?
Zero.
0.
Zero.
Okay, so it will be paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Tell me. Para.
Diamagnet.
अरे para diamagnetic होगा ना?
Yeah.
Okay. कार्बन के बारे में हमने बताया था, कार्बन has 2 bond. This is also pi. This is also pi. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर क्या हो जाएगा? नंबर ऑफ बॉन्डिंग इज इक्वल टू 2, 4, 6, 8. So carbon has 2 bonds. चलिए, copy this down. Let me know once you're done. Let me know once you're done. लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? आगे बढ़े? Yes guys, Iram,
Yes.
Hiba, done
Yes.
ना? Jania, do you know a bit of Hindi?
Yeah, I can understand.
You can understand. थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yeah, I studied Hindi in school, so it's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So now we are going to look at, see, nitrogen. ठीक है. So nitrogen is going to have how many electrons? 7 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So N2 molecule is going to have 14 electrons. Okay, so till here we are going to have what? sp mixing. Case 2. sp mixing. Okay, so the configuration is going to be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Now we are going to get what? Pi 2px equals pi 2py. Now we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if 12 electrons are filled, I need to fill 2 more electrons. So after pi 2px and pi 2py, we are going to have what? Sigma 2pz. This will be also having 2 electrons. Okay. Now here look at the bond order. Number of bonding minus number of anti-bonding divided by 2. This will be equal to, bonding is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. There will be 10 in bonding, and anti-bonding is going to be 2 and 4. So 10 minus 4 upon 2 is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So you can say N2 has 3 bonds. And in these 3 bonds, one of them is sigma and the other 2 are pi. अच्छा, diamagnetic और paramagnetic guys, tell me. बताइए. Number of unpaired electrons. कितने? Do we have any unpaired electrons? Tell me. जानिया, आप बताइए. जानिया.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Okay, see. देखिए, अगर आप ऑर्बिटल डायग्राम बनाइए, so this is one orbital, this is one orbital, this is one molecular orbital, this is another. All of them are having pairs, right? 2, 2, 2. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So that is why it is what? It is having 0 unpaired electrons. Yeah, Iram, आप बताइए. Paramagnetic, diamagnetic. Iram?
Diamagnetic.
Yeah. चलिए, छापिए. Then we are going to look at oxygen. Is everyone done? Yes or no? Please tell me.
So 1 second.
1 second. Done, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes. Done, sir.
Okay, let's move on. So what will come after nitrogen? Tell me. What will be having after nitrogen?
Oxygen.
Yeah, oxygen is going to be 8 MOD of O2. Oxygen is going to have how many? 8. So it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. देखिए 2p4 में आपके पास क्या होगा? रिपल्शन आ जाएगा, राइट? Okay, so 2p4 is going to have repulsion. That is why sp mixing will not take place. Okay, till the time we are having singly occupied orbitals in the p subshell, there will be sp mixing. Now sp mixing will not take place, and O2 molecule is going to have how many electrons? 8 into 2, that is equal to 16 electrons will be there in the O2 molecule. In this case is what? Case 1, which is having no sp mixing. There will be no sp mixing. Okay, now what will be the electronic configuration here? Electronic configuration is going to be simply sigma 1s2, then we are going to have sigma star 1s2, then we are going to have sigma 2s2, then we are going to have sigma star 2s2. Now tell me guys, after this, after sigma star 2s2, what we are going to have? Sigma hoga ya pi hoga? With no sp mixing it will be
Sigma 2pz.
very good, sigma 2pz2. Okay, now we are going to have pi 2px equals to pi 2p y. Acha. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now after this what we are going to have, tell me? After pi 2px and pi 2py, what are we going to have? Yeah, jaldi bataiye.
X equals to pi to py.
Yeah, pi star 2px equals to pi star 2py. This is also going to have how many electrons? We have already filled 14, I think. 2, 4, yeah, यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा? 3, 2, 5, 10, 10, 12. Yeah, we are going to fill 1 electrons here. Clear, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Is this clear? Iram, Iba, yes or no? Please tell me. Jania, Abdullah. Ahad, how are you, man? Oh, Fahad, are you there or not here?
Gate follow. Gate follow, ma'am.
Now, right? Bond order. Okay. Now this will be equal to what? 10 minus how much? Anti-bonding is 2, 4, 5, and 6, right? So 10 minus 6 upon 2 will be equal to 4 upon 2. This will be equal to 2. So we can write O2 has O2 has 2 bonds. Okay. Diamagnetic और paramagnetic guys, ये बता दीजिए आप लोग.
Paramagnetic.
Yeah, number of correct unpaired electrons. 2 be paramagnetic. Can you guys tell me, is there any noise from my side? Iram? Yes, Iram, is there any noise from my side?
Sorry, sir.
Oh,
मैंने सुना
is
नहीं.
there, is there any noise from my side?
Yes, थोड़ी थोड़ी.
Wait, wait. What are you hearing? You're hearing the scoldings. Yeah. चलिए. Can you guys do for fluorine? Tell me. Iram, Hiba, Fahad, Abdullah, can all of you do for fluorine F2 molecule? Yes or no? Please tell me. Just follow the same order, okay? Let me know once you are done. लिख लिया क्या हिबा आपने?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then do for F2 molecule. Fluorine 2. Write the topic MOD of. ऐसे लिख लीजिए. And send the answer on my WhatsApp. Okay? Janya, can you please save this number? Save this number, rather message me on this number, okay? And I will send you the previous classes recording.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Also, one more thing, Janya, can you tell me, I mean, which is the chapter that you face the most problem in?
I think it's mostly classification and structure of an atom.
The structure of atomic structure in class chapter 2 and 3. Okay, fine. You start with the recordings and then you can let me know if you have any doubts, okay? Acha, ek aur cheez. Iram, you said that you are having some difficulty in nomenclature. Clear हुआ कुछ आपका? हाँ, इरम?
हाँ सर, हो गया.
हो गया? अब आपको पता है कैसे आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है एंड देन हाउ यू हैव टू नंबर टर्मिनल कार्बन, ये सब हो गया ना? ठीक है. Also write whether it is paramagnetic or diamagnetic, okay? And the number of unpaired electrons in fluorine molecule. अरे इरम, केमिस्ट्री सीखते सीखते मैथ्स भूल गए क्या आप? इरम सी, बॉन्ड ऑर्डर में कुछ मिस्टेक है। यस इरम, टेल मी, दिखा आपको कि नहीं दिखा?
नहीं
अरे फिर से
किधर?
देखिए, बॉन्ड बॉन्ड ऑर्डर में लास्ट में, सेकंड लास्ट के बाद सेकंड लास्ट स्टेप देखिए, और लास्ट वाला देखिए क्या लिखा है आपने। दिखा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर में आपको? नहीं दिखा अभी भी? दिखना चाहिए।
हाँ सर दिखा।
दिख गया ना? करेक्ट इट प्लीज। ओके। अच्छा एक और चीज देखिए, आपने दोनों में ना पाई टू पी एक्स इक्वल टू पाई टू पी वाई, फिर पाई टू पी एक्स इक्वल टू पाई टू पी वाई लिख दिया आपने। पाई
स्टार।
स्टार होगा वहां पे। हाँ स्टार लिख दीजिए वहां पे। एवरीथिंग एल्स इज करेक्ट, वेरी गुड। व्हाट अबाउट यू गाइस? हिबा, हिबा यू हैव माय नंबर?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please send the answer now. I hope you have written for F2.
Okay.
Jane, you also at least message me. I hope you have saved the number.
Yes, sir, message.
Yeah, please message. हिबा एंड जानिया, अब्दुल्ला आप भी भेजिए ना आंसर।
Sending, sir.
Okay. Also, you guys are going to do 2 questions, okay, from NCERT. Okay, Hiba, I got your answer. पाई में आपने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं डाले हैं हिबा। अदर देन दैट एवरीथिंग इज फाइन।
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have not just filled the electrons. Other than that, everything is fine. .35 and 4.36 in NCERT. ठीक है? And then you are going to write the topic hydrogen bonding. Abdullah, please send the answer. आपने भेजा क्या अब्दुल्ला? नहीं भेजा अब्दुल्ला ने। Abdullah, can you please send me whatever you have done till now? Please send it quickly. Yeah, okay, fine. I think I got it. चलिए ठीक है, कहीं थोड़ा साफ लिखने की बस कोशिश कीजिए। अदर देन दैट एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। ओके ओके, राइट हियर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। ध्यान से सुनिएगा. I mean, this concept of hydrogen bonding will be used in the last chapter of your 12th standard. Okay. So hydrogen bonding is one of the most important concepts that you are going to learn in 11th standard. What is hydrogen bonding? Please listen. If you remember the electronegativity series, we have most electronegative elements are fluorine. Don't write anything. Please listen. Fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. These are what? These are the most electronegative elements. Now, when these most electronegative elements, these are bonded with hydrogen and they have a covalent bond with hydrogen, then please look at this fluorine that is bonded with hydrogen. Fluorine bonded with hydrogen. Okay. Now, there is another hydrogen which is bonded with fluorine. Okay. Now, imagine what will be the charge on fluorine. Since fluorine is very electronegative, it is going to have delta negative charge. And this partial negative charge will be very high. And similarly, very high delta positive charge will be here. Similarly, delta positive charge will be here and delta negative charge will be here. Now, this bond is the covalent bond. This is a covalent bond. This is also covalent bond. Now, the fluorine of one molecule, when it interacts with hydrogen of another molecule, that means fluorine and hydrogen, these should not be directly bonded, but they should be in the vicinity. That means they should be in the neighborhood with high positive and negative charge. Fluorine with negative charge and hydrogen with high positive charge. Now this delta positive and delta negative, these are going to show some kind of attraction because positive and negative charge, these are opposite and they attract each other. Now this red thing, whatever I have drawn, this is the hydrogen bond. Now, hydrogen bond is a special type of dipole attraction. It is a special type of dipole attraction. That means this is a dipole. Okay. This is also a dipole. And these two are attracting each other, but that attraction is of very high intensity. And that is why we have given it a very different name. That is hydrogen bonding. Okay. It is what? Hydrogen bonding. All of you got this? Yes or no? Please tell me. Hydrogen bonding समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please write what is hydrogen bonding. The attractive force which binds hydrogen atom of one molecule with fluorine, oxygen, or nitrogen of another molecule is known as hydrogen bonding. सिर्फ इन्हीं तीनों में होगा. Okay, fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. The attractive force which binds hydrogen atom of one molecule with fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen of another molecule, or we can say another bond. Okay, not the same bond, not the same hydrogen and fluorine of another molecule is known as hydrogen bonding. Can I move on? All if you wrote this, yes or no, please tell me. I think you have wrote. Please write with me. Application of hydrogen bonding. Application of hydrogen bonding. Right. First of all, in melting point and boiling point. Okay, number one. See, if you are having hydrogen bond, then what is going to happen? Then the attractive forces is very high and they are going to melt and boil at high temperature. Please write compounds with hydrogen bonding have higher boiling point and melting point. Second, solubility in water. Solubility in water will be what? Compounds with hydrogen bond are soluble in water. Third point, physical state. ठीक है, देखिए फिजिकल स्टेट में क्या होता है? Obviously, if you are going to have hydrogen bond, that means the attractive forces will be very high. So you will not have very few molecules. They are having hydrogen bond and they are in gaseous state. ठीक है? For example, देखिए आप, if you have water molecule, that is H2O. This is liquid. But if you compare it with H2S, this is a gas. Even though H2S is a heavier molecule, still it is in what state? It is in gaseous state. Why? Because H2O molecule, it is having what? It is having hydrogen bonded. That is why it is liquid. And H2S, it does not have hydrogen bonding. That means the molecules of H2S is what? Very far apart. There is no force that is pulling them together, and hence it is what? Gas and not liquid as water. Write this down. Let me know once you're done. Okay, Jania, you have messaged me. Let me send you the recording. I think I have sent it to Hiba. हिबा, आपने देखना चालू किया रिकॉर्डिंग्स? यस
Oh,
हिबा?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
या ओके, समझ में आ रहा है रिकॉर्डिंग से आपको?
Yes.
ओके ओके फाइन. Done everyone? Yes or no, please tell me. Right here, types of hydrogen bonding. देखिए दो टाइप के हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होते हैं. वन इज नोन एज इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. इन दिस इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर, अच्छा इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन जब होता है, so it is within one school or within with different schools? Tell me. इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन कैसे होता है? बहुत सारे स्कूल अलग अलग स्कूल आते हैं या फिर एक ही स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में होता है? इरम बताइए, आपके यहाँ कुछ हुआ था ना अभी? क्या हुआ था? आपने एक स्टेटस डाला था. व्हाट वाज दैट इरम? स्कूल से ही था ना? दैट वाज
Annually.
योर्स ओनली. आपकी आवाज बहुत ज्यादा ही हो चुकी है. जानिया,
I
यू टेल मी. हाँ ठीक है, बताइए इरम, क्या बोल रही हैं आप? दैट वाज
sir, that was annually.
एनुअल डे था. ओके ओके फाइन, एनुअल डे. ओके. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इंटर स्कूल कंपटीशन इरम?
It is between two schools.
Between two schools. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding will be between two different molecules. देखिए बताइए, आपने बच्चों को रुला दिया. Okay, between two different molecules. Okay, now there is another which is intramolecular. Hydrogen bond. This is within a single molecule. Okay, just write one molecule. बुलावा आ रहा है मेरा. Nitrogen, double bond oxygen, and here we are having OH. Okay, So seeing here, this is the hydrogen bond. So it is between in single within a one molecule. Okay. Let me know once you're done, guys. जानिए आपको हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग समझ में आया कम से कम?
Yes, sir.
ओके अच्छा, नेक्स्ट कौन सा चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे? प्लीज सेंड योर आंसर्स ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. अच्छा नहीं, हम आपसे बाद में पर्सनली चैट में पूछ लेंगे, ठीक है ना? बिकॉज आई थिंक a few students are not here right now, so I think it will not be